Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and after releasing the finger you should see the recents. If you want to, you can remove them manually or close them manually just by swiping them up, but of course you can close all just by tapping on the trash bin icon. And now we just go back to the homepage. We can of course enter the recents to check, and sometimes right now you can see the situation that sometimes your device will not close all of the apps. It will leave the latest one for some reason, but no worries, all you have to do is to simply swipe it up and everything will be cleared. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.